If you have vegetables sitting in your fridge right now, you can make this soup. Stick with me until the end and you can watch as I cook and see how easily this soup comes together. We're going to start off by browning our ground beef. I am using 80/20. This is about 2 pounds. I am seasoning it with my favorite Kinder's caramelized onion seasoning. So just brown your ground beef. Then you're going to add your beef broth. I'm using about 2 cups. You're going to add your potatoes, your onions, your carrots. Give it a good stir, and then you're going to put the lid on and let it boil until the potatoes become tender. Then you're going to add your base for the soup. I am using Campbell's tomato soup. It's truly my favorite. That's what my mom used growing up when she would make this Hamburger vegetable soup for us, and also crushed tomatoes. So for me, using Campbell's really brings me back to my childhood, reminds me of how my mom used to make the soup. And no worries, if you are not a condensed soup fan, I get it. I'm not either. I don't like using the cream of mushrooms and all that stuff. I like to make it from scratch. So if you do not want to use the Campbell's tomato soup, then don't. Just use crushed tomatoes. It's still going to be delicious. Next, you're going to add your lima beans, corn, peas. Add as much as vegetables as you like. I have a big family. I have 6 kids, so I'm loading this baby down with vegetables. As you can see, it's coming together. It looks so good. My kids and my husband, they absolutely love this soup. It's so flavorful, so comforting, and for me, I love it because it reminds me of my childhood. My mom would make this soup with some grilled cheese. This was like a weekly staple in our home growing up. So now you just want to mix everything together. Then let your soup simmer after you've mixed everything up very well, and it's ready to go. You can add some salt, some pepper, but guys, this is simple, it's easy, it's a quick meal you can get on the table for your family, and it's comforting. It's so good, it's so fresh. Comment below and let me know what your favorite soup is. I'd love to know. Also, I'm a small channel, guys, so if you could show me some love, subscribe,